I wake up at 6 a.m. to the gentle sound of birds chirping outside my window. Stretching lazily, I take a moment to enjoy the calm before the day's activities begin. By 6:15, I'm in the kitchen, brewing a cup of fresh coffee. The rich aroma fills the air, and I savor the first sip, my favorite part of the morning. At 6:30, I head out for a morning run. The neighborhood is peaceful, with only a few early risers out and about. I love this time. The cool air energizes me as I run through familiar streets and past the local park. By 7 o'clock, I'm back home, feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. After a quick shower, I make a healthy breakfast, usually a smoothie bowl packed with fruits, nuts, and seeds. Sitting at the kitchen table, I enjoy my meal while catching up on the news or reading a book. By 8 o'clock, it's time to get to work. I work from home, so I head to my home office, a cozy room filled with natural light and plants. I start my day by checking emails and organizing my tasks. Following a structured schedule, I dedicate time blocks for different projects. My mornings are usually the most productive, so I tackle the most challenging tasks first. By noon, it's time for a break. I make a light lunch, often a salad or a sandwich, and enjoy it on the balcony if the weather is nice. Taking this time to relax and recharge, I sometimes listen to a podcast or call a friend. In the afternoon, I continue working but also make sure to take short breaks every hour to stretch and avoid burnout. Around 3 p.m., I have a small snack, usually some nuts or a piece of fruit, to keep my energy levels up. By 5 p.m., I wrap up my work for the day. I take a moment to review my accomplishments and plan for the next day. Then, I transition into my evening routine, starting with a quick workout session, either some yoga or a strength training routine. Exercise helps me unwind and shift my focus from work to relaxation. Dinner is around 7 p.m., and I love experimenting with new recipes. I find cooking therapeutic and enjoy the process of creating a delicious meal. After dinner, I spend some time doing what I love, whether it's reading, playing guitar, or working on a personal project. By 9 p.m., I start winding down for the night. I dim the lights and avoid screens to help my body relax. Sometimes, I take a warm bath or meditate to further ease into the evening. At 10 p.m., I'm in bed, reading a few pages of a book before drifting off to sleep. My routine is a balance of productivity and self-care, ensuring I stay focused during work hours and relaxed during my personal time. Each day is a blend of structure and flexibility, allowing me to adapt as needed while maintaining a sense of order and calm. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.